Hello, I'm Taylor, and today I'm going to tell you how to make my mom's Sunday breakfast cookies. Oh, by the way, these are gluten-free and dairy-free, so everybody in my family can have them. I will be using 2 cups of oats, half a cup of gluten-free flour, 1/4 of water, filtered if you can, half a cup of maple syrup, half a cup to 3/4 of a cup peanut butter, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 hemp hearts, 1/4 chia seeds, and 1/4 sunflower seeds. Half a cup of dried cherries or cranberries. I didn't have those, so I'm using dates, and I put a little bit of buckwheat flour on them so they don't stick together. Half a teaspoon of chocolate pieces, and then mix them all in a bowl. And then we'll put them on these cookie sheets and bake them for 15 minutes. Okay, so first off, I'll put in 2 cups of oats. Yeah. One. Two. That's a lot of oats. Half a cup of gluten-free flour. I have this here. Water. My water is right here. Half a cup of maple syrup. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Peanut butter. Oh. So, we mixed peanut butter and almond butter. I'm not sure why. We might have run out of peanut butter, but handy that this is here. On the side. Getting it out there. There we go. Okay. Peanut butter. 1 teaspoon of salt. Nope. There we go. One teaspoon, 2 teaspoon vanilla. One, 2. We're gonna need to wash that because it belongs in the salt. Hemp hearts. I'll do these so I can use this after. Okay. After the sunflower seeds, put in the hemp hearts. A little too much. Perfect. Okay, now for chia. Whoops. I think that's enough with that little bit there. Definitely. Chia. Okay, now for the dates. You always show stuff on the floor. Peanut butter, that's cool. Chocolate pieces. Quarter? How much? Half. Half. A little bit more. There we go. Getting all of it from in there. The maple syrup really makes it sticky. Chocolate juice. Then mix it all. I'm gonna do that with my hands. That's a cool feeling. Now it's all gonna stick to my hands, so I need to get it all off. Then keep doing it. Oh, whoops. Down, 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 down. Up, 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 up. Up, down. That's really fun. Oh, just look at that. So good. It already looks tasty. Not even cooked or baked. So I've got a fork now, and then we're gonna try it. So good. It's really, really good. Like really, 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 really good. So now, we're going to come over here, set the bowl down, grab this. Whoops. Grab one of these things. Really handy. And now, too much. Edges, good. Okay. Then you put them. Oh, I can see myself. Hello, myself. Like that. We're gonna flatten them out a little bit. And I will continue doing this. So I'm going to start flattening these with a fork. So how you want to do it is you want to take the fork either push down there or just push down from up here. And then make sure it's pretty much all the same around the edges and in the middle. And then do that for every single one. Okay, so I'm gonna continue doing this, and I'll see you when we're putting them in the oven. So thanks to our good friend Forky, all of these are done, and now we get to put them in the very, very dangerous hot oven. There's not nearly as many on this one. Still, they're here. Then you close it. So we will see you in 15 minutes when these are done baking. I'm so excited. I need something to grab them. I'll get this one out first. So I'm finding that some of these are breaking, like this one. So we're gonna wait for a couple minutes and keep them on here. So I'm transferring these over now that they've cooled a tiny bit. Some of them have lots of chia seed, some of them don't. And then talking about ingredients, if you don't like dark chocolate, you could use milk chocolate, and that is, I'm nearly sure, going to work. I haven't tried it, or maybe I have and I just don't know, but these turned out really well. And then I'm gonna finish eating the one that I was eating. And I hope you learned how to make these cookies.